Hi everyone. It's Paulina, and today, I'm doing something I love, getting coffee. But in New York, ordering coffee can be an adventure. Let's learn how to order like a pro while I take you to one of my favorite cafes. Ready? Let's go. Paulina enters a trendy, bustling cafe. She looks at the long menu on the wall and says, "Wow, there are so many options. What should I get? A latte, cappuccino, or maybe an iced coffee? Espresso, a strong, black coffee shot. Cappuccino, coffee with steamed milk and foam. Latte, espresso with more steamed milk. I think I'll go with a latte. But should I get almond milk or oat milk?" Paulina approaches the counter nervously. She says, "Hi, can I have a medium latte with almond milk, please?" The barista replies, "Sure. Hot or iced?" Paulina looks surprised and responds, "Oh, hot, please." The barista asks, "Would you like any syrup? We have vanilla, caramel, and hazelnut." Paulina hesitates. I'll try vanilla. How much is that?" The barista replies, "That will be $5.50. Let's learn something new. When you order, you can say, 'Can I have?' 'I'd like.' 'How much is it?' 'Okay. Thank you for learning with me." Paulina waits for her coffee but notices the barista calls out, "Medium latte with oat milk." Paulina thinks, "Oh no, that's not mine. I asked for almond milk." She walks up to the counter politely and says, "Excuse me, I think there's a mistake. I ordered a latte with almond milk." The barista apologizes and remakes her drink. Come in, let's learn some more sentences. If something is wrong with your order, you can politely say, "Excuse me, I think there's a mistake. I asked for." Thanks for learning with me. Paulina gets her latte, takes a sip, and smiles. This is so good. The perfect latte with almond milk and vanilla syrup. Worth the wait. Let's learn to express opinions. This is delicious. I love it. It's worth it. Thanks once again for learning new sentences. This place is so busy, but that's what makes New York special. Thank you for joining me on this coffee adventure. Now, it's your turn to practice ordering coffee in English. What's your favorite drink? Let me know in the comments. See you next time. Key takeaways. Vocabulary: espresso, latte, syrup, almond milk, oat milk, steamed milk, etc. Phrases: Can I have? How much is it? Excuse me, I think there's a mistake. I'd like. Words with easy explanations and separate sentences. 1. Glance, verb to look at something quickly. Easy meaning, a quick look. Example sentence: She glanced at her watch to check the time. 2. Hesitate, verb to stop for a moment because you are not sure. Easy meaning, to pause when you don't know what to do. Example sentence: He hesitated before answering the teacher's question. 3. Apologize, verb to say sorry when something goes wrong. Easy meaning, to tell someone you are sorry. Example sentence: I apologized for being late to the meeting. 4. Relieved, adjective feeling happy and relaxed after a problem is solved. Easy meaning, feeling calm after something stressful is over. Example sentence: She was relieved when she passed the difficult exam. 5. Recommend, verb to tell someone a good idea or choice. Easy meaning, to suggest something helpful. Example sentence: The doctor recommended eating more vegetables for better health. Hope you learned some new words, phrases, and sentences with me today. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, and share this video with your friends so they can learn English with you too. See you next time.